fleet runs everything. But how are you running your fleet? To keep it all moving, you have to balance a lot of moving parts. From maintenance, fuel costs, driver assignments, work orders, inventory. And let's be real, paper forms and old-school software might help you keep track of your assets, but they're never going to help you truly optimize. You need a better solution to run, repair, and manage your fleet. Meet Fleetio. We're a fleet optimization platform designed to give you visibility into every part of your operation, all in one place, so you can focus on the one thing that really matters, optimizing your fleet for the road ahead. But fleet is about more than getting from point A to point B. It's about everything that happens in between, creating a seamless, automated flow between drivers, technicians, and managers. Day-to-day processes like preventive maintenance get a whole lot simpler with Fleetio. Fleet managers can easily create PM schedules tailored to their assets, receive reminders when it's time for service, and assign a technician to the work, or decide if they want to send it to a shop at their network. Once technicians complete the work, a quick message to your drivers can get your assets back on the road and your team on the same page, with less hassle and more control over your uptime. And when problems arise, it's easier than ever to handle repairs. Fleetio inspections are customizable and can be quickly completed on the go. If a driver submits a failed inspection item, the details, including photos, are instantly sent to your team. Technicians receive work orders in real time, and fleet managers stay informed through the whole process with simple approval workflows, parts inventory, and time tracking. Whatever your fleet throws your way, you can manage every data point with a comprehensive dashboard and customizable reporting. Quickly share reports from Fleetio and dig into insights that keep your organization aligned toward your most important goals. Every decision becomes the right decision with the right data behind it. And in Fleetio, you can truly keep up with everything. From monitoring expenses and total cost of ownership, to tracking utilization, service history, and compliance metrics. We integrate with hundreds of partners, including GPS and telematics, maintenance shops, fuel cards, and more. So Fleetio can be the primary source of truth for your fleet data, even if that data doesn't come from us. No matter what your company looks like, Fleetio can be the place where you finally begin to refine your processes. Transform the way you run your fleet, handle repairs, and manage your data. Start optimizing with Fleetio today.